Hi viewers, welcome to another video. Yeah, it's Monday morning, 9:30 at good old Alfreton train station again. We've now got 2 lift shafts in, well, the framework anyway. Yeah, it's a bit chilly today. At least it ain't raining yet, so let's get some trains, shall we? I'll see what I can do for you. Keep tuned, subscribe if you're not subscribed.
For the 0933 Northern Service to Nottingham. Calling out Langley Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham.
There's a train coming in a minute. Be right back. This train's going to Nottingham, 195017. Welcome to another video. If not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? We've got 2 lift shaft frameworks on the train station now. I can't see many builders at the moment working today. It's Monday morning, 9:30, a bit chilly at Alfreton train station. Yeah, I haven't got a clue what trains are coming today because I've looked at the timetable, so we just take a chance. So hang around, there might be another train soon. See you in a minute.
We are sorry to announce that the 1010 East Midlands Railway Service to Liverpool Line Street is
This one's going to Leeds.
for the 0944 Northern Service to Leeds via Barnsley. Calling out
One 195 001, that one is. They don't normally put up this close, it normally goes a bit further. I think they said the next one to Liverpool's been cancelled, I'm not sure. This one's going to Leeds in Yorkshire. It's hanging around a bit, isn't it, at the moment? That one's off to Leeds, yeah. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? 195014 going to Leeds on this drizzly day. Looks like the numbers on the back have been stuck on, aren't they? Amateur, not very professional. One 195009, that one going to Leeds. Those clouds look a bit ominous, and it's very windy. Train coming, diesel freight train. Quite a long one, this one. Six 723 on the front. One 150006. My first time watching that one go through. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? And I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now. East Midlands Railway train going to Norwich. I think it's 158863, I'm not sure. It's a wee bit chilly today, need some gloves. Yep, 158863. 858 858. And on the back 158 852 going to Liverpool Lime Street. And that clears a platform of passengers. I definitely need some gloves. Anybody want to buy me a pair of gloves? Let me know. As you can see, the two lift shafts are being built on the left hand side and right hand side. Someone did say the new bridge is going to be put in sometime in January, so we'll come back for that one, shall we? Here comes a freight train. Not sure what number it is, we'll find out. Freightliner.